Hello, good morning. How are you? Hi, friends. Today in this session, we will discuss digestion process in our buccal cavity, in our oral cavity, and in our mouth. In our mouth, buccal, buccal cavity. We know that at the time of taking food, that is not readily usable to our body. మనం తీసుకున్నప్పుడు ఆహారం అది ఆ, నేరుగా వెంటనే మన బాడీకి మన శరీరానికి ఉపయోగపడదు. దట్ హ్యాస్ టు చేంజ్ ఇంటూ సింపుల్ ఫామ్. మనం తీసుకున్న ఆహారం సంక్లిష్ట రూపంలో ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని క్లిష్ట రూపంలోకి సంక్లిష్ట రూపంలో ఉన్నదాన్ని సరళ రూపంలోకి మార్చాలి. ద కాంప్లెక్స్ macro molecule of food substances has to change into micro and simple substances. Uh, so this process was done by digestion system ఇదంతా కూడా జీర్ణక్రియ అనే ఒక వ్యవస్థ ద్వారా జరుగుతుంది. దట్ ఈస్ ద డైజెషన్ ప్రాసెస్. దిస్ డైజెషన్ ప్రాసెస్ విల్ స్టార్ట్ in our oral cavity. In our all this food canal, alimentary canal start with mouth, ends with anus. At the starting point is mouth. Mouth is guarded by labia, upper labia and lower labia. These are the lips. The mouth is guarded by lips. These are very sensitive to touch, heat and cold. Inside the mouth there is a two chambers are present. That is a nasal chamber and oral chamber. Nasal chamber and buccal cavity. Nasal cavity and buccal cavity. These two chambers are divided by a bony structure and muscular structure. That is the palate. Let us see what are the parts are present in our buccal cavity. What are their role in a digestion process? First, in our mouth there is teeth are present. Next one is the tongue. Teeth, tongue. Next one is the palate. Last is salivary glands associated with the glands. That is the salivary glands. One by one. First one is the teeth. Teeth helps in grinding, chewing, biting inside our mouth. That process is called mastication. That process is called mastication. These teeth are 32 in number. These are the permanent teeth. But 20 in early ages. In early ages there will be 20 teeth are present. Instead of 20, these milk teeth are replaced by the permanent teeth. These are the milk teeth. These teeth also called deciduous teeth. So among these 32 there will be four type of teeth are present. This type of dentination is called heterodont dentination. మనం తినే ఆహార పదార్థం పైన ఆధారపడి ప్రతి జంతువు యొక్క దంతాల అమరిక ఉంటుంది. మనము యాజ్ వీఆర్ ఆమ్నివోర్స్ అంటే అన్ని రకాల ఆహార పదార్థాలు తిన్నాం కాబట్టి అన్ని రకాల ఆహార పదార్థాలను వాటికి తగిన విధంగా మన నోటిలో 4 రకాల దంతాలు ఉంటాయి. దోస్ ఆర్ ద ఇన్సిజర్స్, canines, premolars and molars. This type of dentation is called heterodont dentination. For example, in shark there will be only same type of pointed teeth are present. That type of dentination is called homodont dentination. Depend upon the food habits. That dentination is present in different type of organisms have the different type of dentination. So as we are omnivores, we have 4 type of teeth are present. That is the heterodont dentination. One more is there. These all teeth are embedded in sockets of jaws. That is called thecodont dentination. అంటే మన నోట్లో దంతాలు అనేటివి ఈ దవడల లోపల ఇరుక్కుపోయి ఉంటాయి. దాన్ని ఏమంటారంటే థీకోడాంట్ డెంటినేషన్. హెట్రోడాంట్, హోమోడాంట్, థీకోడాంట్, డెసిడియస్ టీత్. డిసిడియస్, దిస్ ఆర్ ద మిల్క్ టీత్. డిసిడియస్ టీత్. హెట్రోడాంట్ అంటే నాలుగు రకాల దంతాల అమరిక ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని హెట్రోడాంట్ అంటారు. హోమోడాంట్ అంటే సేమ్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ టీత్ ఆర్ ప్రెసెంట్. నెక్స్ట్ డెసిడియస్ టీత్ అంటే మిల్క్ టీత్. అండ్ ఎర్లీ ఏజెస్ there will be no molars are present, only incisors, canines and premolars are present. That is the deciduous teeth. The number of deciduous or milk teeth is 20 in number. Permanent teeth are 32. What is the dental formula? Dental formula of our human beings is 2123. 2123 by 2123. 2123 by 2123. Total number is 32. 32. 4, 4, 6, 8, 16 into each jaw has the 16 and 16. 16 and 16. That is the dental formula of our human beings. So total number is 32. 32 number of teeth are present. Okay. Next one is pig. 3143. 3143. That is the dentination formula of pig. Pig. Next one is 1133 by 3133. This is the cow and goat. Dental formula. In herbivores, the incisors are absent in upper jaw. Only muscular jaws are muscles are present, hard muscles are present. That is called diastema. So diastema, these incisors helps to cut the food. Canines tear the food. Canines are helps to tear the food. Premolars and molars to helps to grinding the food. These are the functions of teeth. There are 32 number of teeth are present in our human beings. That is the permanent teeth. Heterodont dentination అంటే రకరకాల వివిధ రకాలైన దంతాల అమరిక ఉంటుంది. హోమోడాంట్ అంటే సేమ్ ఒకే రకమైన దంతాల అమరిక ఉంటే దాన్ని హోమోడాంట్ అంటారు. డెసిడియస్ టీత్ అంటే మిల్క్ టీత్. ఇన్ ద ప్లేస్ ఆఫ్ మిల్క్ టీత్ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 years they replaced with permanent teeth. That is called permanent teeth. Next, four type of teeth are present. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. This type of dentination is called thecodont dentination. When we look at the structure of teeth, diastema means herbivores. In herbivores, first set above the upper jaw there is no incisors are present. The gap is present, that is called diastema. This diastema helps to hold the grass. Through the diastema the tongue will comes out and push the grass inside the mouth. That's why all these ruminants or herbivores, they will take hurry bari, they will take food very fastly with the help of these diastema. Okay, this is the type of teeth. The structure of teeth. Teeth has three parts. This is the crown. This is the neck. This is the root. 2/3 of teeth will present in sockets of jaw, sockets of jaw, sockets of sockets of jaw. So with the help of hard cement like structure, that is called cementum. So above the crown, 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 there will be hardest structure of our body. That is the, it is covered by the, that is called enamel. That is called enamel. That is called enamel. At the time where the root, sorry, neck, in the neck area and below the part which is present in uh, jars, that fixed with the help of cementum. With the help of cementum. This will have cementum, strong structure, strong structure. Next one is inside there cavity is present, that is called pulp cavity. This is the pulp cavity. This is the pulp cavity. This pulp cavity having the blood vessels, pulp cavity having the blood vessels and nerves endings and lacteals. All those are present in the pulp cavity. This pulp cavity is covered by a odonto dentine. Dentine. These dentine secretes with the odontoblast cells. Odontoblast cells. This is the briefly about the teeth. Teeth helps to cut, tear, and chew the food. Chew the food. Okay. The teeth has three parts: crown, neck, and root. Crown and neck and root. This crown covered by a hardest structure of on our body. That is the enamel, which is visible. It is visible to us. Next one, the neck and the root is fixed in the fixed in the uh, jars with the help of hard structure, that is the cementum, and also collagen fibers. Next, inside middle of the teeth there is a cavity is present, that is called pulp cavity. This, in the pulp cavity there will be blood vessels, nerve endings, and also lacteals are present. So this is the structure of our bone. Diastema. Diastema means in herbivores there is no incisors. Only muscular structure is present. That is that part is called diastema. That part is a diastema. 2123. This is a dental formula of our uh, dental formula of human beings. Pig has 3143. 3143 by 3143. 3143 by 3143. 3142. 3142 by 3143. This is the dog dental formula. This is the dog dental formula. Dog dental formula. So and also in herbivores, first premolar and last molar, they cross each other. That is called caesarean. Um, that is called carnassial teeth. Carnassial teeth. Carnassial teeth, they crossed each other. Molar structures are not, they cross each other like a scissor, that is called carnassial teeth. This is about that uh, teeth. Okay, are you clear about the teeth? Teeth helps in cutting and chewing and grinding of our mouth. These are the hardest structures. Depending upon the food habits, they all different type of animals having the different type of teeth. As we are omnivores, మనము సర్వభక్షకాలం కాబట్టి మనకు 4 రకాలైన దంతాలు ఉంటాయి. మనం తినే ఆహార పదార్థాలపై ఆధారపడి ఉంటాయి ఇవి. ఇన్సిజర్స్, canines, premolars and molars. Incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Next one, wisdom teeth. After 18, wisdom teeth will appear. Wisdom teeth, that is the molar teeth will comes After 18th, that is called wisdom teeth. Okay, let us see tongue. Tongue is a muscular structure. Strongest muscular, strongest bone akkada, teeth అయితే strongest muscles ikkada tongue. The tongue helps in um, mixing and swallowing. Mixing and swallowing. That is the universal toothbrush. Universal toothbrush. Toothbrush మాది మన నోటి లోపల ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. యూనివర్సల్ టూత్ బ్రష్. దిస్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ మిక్సింగ్ అండ్ స్వాలోయింగ్. మనం తిన్న ఆహార పదార్థం బాగా నమిలిన తర్వాత మ్యూకస్తో కలిపి ముద్దగా మారుతుంది. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? బోలస్. సెమీ సాలిడ్ బాల్ లైక్ స్ట్రక్చర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ బోలస్. ఈ బోలస్ని నెక్స్ట్ పార్ట్లోకి తోయడానికి ఈ టంగ్ అనేది ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. దిస్ టంగ్ ఫిక్స్డ్ విత్ ఏ మజిల్స్, దోస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ ఫ్రెన్యులం అనే మజిల్స్తో ఈ టంగ్ అనేది మన నోట్లో కింది దవడకి అతుక్కొని ఉంటుంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ రెస్ట్ అపాన్ ద బోనీ స్ట్రక్చర్ దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ హయాయిడ్ బోన్. హయాయిడ్ అనే బోన్ పైన ఫ్రెన్యులం అనే మస్కులర్ ఫోల్డింగ్స్ సహాయంతో ఈ టంగ్ అనేది మన నోటిలో ఉంటుంది. సో this tongue has taste buds. These taste buds are present upon the tongue. 4 type of taste buds are present. ఈ టంగ్ అనేది మిక్సింగే కాకుండా ఎందుకు ఉపయోగపడుతుంది? ఆహార పదార్థాలు రుచి చూడడానికి ఉపయోగపడుతుంది. 4 type of taste buds are present. Those are the valid taste buds, fungiform taste buds, filiform taste buds, circumvallate. When you take this tongue, these are the sweet, identify the taste buds. Last one is the bitter. These are the sour. These are the salt. This is about the tongue. Tongue acts as a universal toothbrush. It helps in mixing and here we have to see, just putting our food substances on our tongue, we can't identify the taste of the food. So after mastication, the food enter into taste buds. When how they in the solid stage only, liquid stage only. Whenever after mixing that mucus, when we press the tongue against the palate, the taste buds will open, the food substance will enter into that taste buds, then only the signals will send into the brain. After that only the brain will calculate the taste of the food, then we identify the taste of the food substances. That is the tongue. Next one, palate divides the soft palate and hard palate. Soft palate, anterior and posterior. Anterior there will be hard palate, the bone structure. Posterior, lower vaipu, that hangs a muscular structure into that pharynx, that is called ula. That is called ula. That is the palate. Next we have to discuss salivary glands. Salivary glands are most important. 3 type of salivary glands. 3 pairs of salivary glands are present in our mouth. They secrete the salivary amylase. Or ptyalin. Salivary amylase or ptyalin. These enzymes act on the starch Starch or carbohydrates. Starch or carbohydrates. They change into maltose sugar. Maltose sugars. Maltose sugars. So in our buccal cavity, three pairs of salivary glands are present. They secrete the saliva. In that saliva, having the salivary amylase enzyme. Salivary amylase enzyme, that is called uh, ptyalin. Ptyalin or amylase, that act on the carbohydrates, and carbohydrates are starch change into maltose sugars. 30% of carbohydrates 30% of carbohydrates are digested in our mouth. That's why uh, we have to take food very carefully and slowly at the time of we are chewing the food in our mouth. So, okay, salivary amylase, what are those glands? Those glands are mm, parotid parotid, sublingual and submaxillary. Sublingual and submaxillary. Parotid glands, sublingual glands, submaxillary glands. Parotid glands below the pinna are present. Sublingual below the tongue. Submaxillary in the angle of jaws. Angle of angle of jaws below the pinna, below the tongue. These three pair of glands, with the help of ducts, they secrete the saliva enzyme 1.5 liters per a day. 1.5 liters per a day. It has the lipase also present. Small amount of lipase also present in saliva that kills the bacteria in small amount. That kills the bacteria in small amount. These are the uh, about the salivary glands. Salivary glands. So next, after that, the food, semi-solid food, that is a bolus, will send into with the help of tongue. They send into next part of food canal, that is the pharynx. Pharynx is the common passage for food and air. Windpipe and food pipe, they open with a common passage, that is the pharynx. To control these air and food into respective their parts. There will be a uh, uh, organ is present, that is called epiglottis. This epiglottis act as a police constable, and at the time of swallowing food, this epiglottis will close the partially the windpipe. Then automatically the food enter into the food pipe. This is about that the food digestion process in our mouth or buccal cavity. Okay, next class we will discuss with another area. Thank you.